Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, just press the subscribe button. Today I'm gonna show you how I made a Clickbank sale in just an hour. In just 1 hour, I'm gonna show you how to do it. You can also make a Clickbank sale in just an hour. So if you are struggling with making a Clickbank sale, this is the method for you, which is absolutely available for free. You can do this in just after watching this video. Just take action. Okay, now just let's jump into the content. So first of all, we will go into our Chrome browser and we'll be opening. See, this is the Clickbank payment proof which I'm gonna show you. See here, you can see it's just I have just sent 24 clicks over here, and you can see the conversion rate, and the initial sale is $24.92, which is almost $25 which I received from this sale. See, let me just zoom it out. See, it's just $24 here. Okay, how I made the sale in just 1 hour. Only I have sent, what is it, 24 clicks. That's not a big amount of clicks which I have sent over here. You can see, and this is the commission. Okay, now I'll be revealing to you what product I am promoting currently using this method. So just go to marketplace and you just go to categories, and you can see here self-help categories available. Okay, and here is the product. This product is known as Overnight Millionaire System by Weasley Virgin. This product is converting like hot cake. It has a gravity of 175. So this product is really converting, and you can see here also the numbers are appearing. This means this is absolutely legit. I have made a sale of this product. Okay, now let me refresh the page so that you might not have any doubts regarding it. Or let me show you again the reportings. Let's go to the reporting and let's refresh the page, or else many people think that it's not there or it's illegit. Okay, see, here are the same numbers appearing again. So that's it. That's the product which I am promoting here. Let me show you the product. So this is the product, Overnight Millionaire System by Weasley Virgin. It gives a profit of 29.65. okay, so what you have to do is just promote this product. Okay, let's check out. This is the landing page of this product. You just have to get your affiliate link of this product and promote it. I'm gonna show you how you are gonna promote it and where you are gonna promote it. Just click on this promote button, get your affiliate link over here. Okay, we got this affiliate link, just copy it down. Okay, after that what you have to do is create an Instagram page like this one I have created just 2 days ago. And what I did was I just posted 33 posts over here, had just followed 1166 people. What I did was that I just followed these people, and in Instagram there is a rule that you can only follow 50 people per hour. If you follow more than 50 people per hour, then your account may get blocked. So you can only follow 50 people per hour. And what you have to do is I just followed this many people and got 118 followers. And what I did was I pasted my affiliate link over here. See, this is the affiliate link. What I did was I went to a URL shortener known as tinyurl. Okay, you just have to go to this URL shortener, paste your affiliate link over here, and just make tinyurl. Okay, because this is a very big ugly link which no one would like to click, but this is a cute little link which you can share anywhere. Okay, so what I did was I created this type of link and just pasted it in my Instagram bio. Okay, this is just a new account I just created 2 days ago. What I did was I just followed 50 people per hour. Okay, don't follow more than 50 people hour after hour. And that's what I did manually. I didn't use any software. So that's what you have to do. And after you get almost 100 followers, you can post your affiliate link over here in your link in the bio. Okay, I have made just more amount of posts. You can post almost 10 posts. It's okay, it's fine, but just you have to paste your affiliate link in the bio. That's very important. Now another step which I took was I just went to Facebook and joined this type of groups, law of attraction groups. Okay, and just posted in them about this product and got some sales out of it. And that's very easy, that's simple. You just have to do an you can do this all stuff in just 1 or 2 hours, okay, and just post in some of the groups whichever you like and whatever you can join, and then post in them. And what the third thing I did was I answered some of the questions on Quora. See, you can see here law of attraction. If you type law of attraction in Quora, you will find this, and you just have to click here on answer, and you can see all these questions related to law of attraction are asked here, okay. And what you have to do is just answer these questions, and you can just post your affiliate link over here, okay, and that's it. But just to mention a very important point is that you have to provide some value and then post your affiliate link. If you don't provide any value and paste your affiliate link, you will get banned on Quora, so that's something which you should take a notice, okay. So let me answer this question, and so that you can understand what I'm gonna say, okay. So here's a question which no one has answered, so let me answer. Why it is vital to understand, okay. Now see, I'm writing it. It is very vital. Just answer something which is related to question. To understand law of attraction. Sorry for my typing speed. I ain't able to type very fast, okay. It is very because it helps you to live a life as you as you wish, and manifest all things you want at your will. And then after right, you just provided some value over here, okay. Now what you have to do is you have to place your closure, or we can say that this is the call to action, okay. I used this technique to attract wealth in my life. If you want, you can check it here, okay. After doing this, you just have to paste your affiliate link over here, okay. You just shortened your link over here, just copy it to clipboard, and what you have to do is just come here, just go over here and just paste Ctrl+V, and all you have to do is submit. That's it, your affiliate link is posted. Boom, it's done for you. See, you can see here the affiliate link is posted on Quora, and that's just it. That's what you have to do. And yes, you can make a Clickbank sale in just 1 or 2 hours, in 24 hours. That's it. That's simple, that's easy. That's how you can make a Clickbank sale without spending a dime or a dollar. That's simple, easy, super easy. Just take action on this method and type in the comment box if you took action. Everything on this channel is absolutely legit. I show everything with payment proof. So if you like my channel, just press the subscribe button. More and more awesome content is coming up on this channel, so just press the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay connected, stay subscribed to this channel.